Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Learn English with Sachin. Now I am standing under the mango trees. You can see here is mango trees. This tree applies so many mangoes, and this mango is big. Yeah, you can see here, and here is a motor. You can see here. Here is a whale. Here is a big whale, and just I recently start motor, my farm motor. You can see here, yeah, and this is a peaceful area. You can see outside sun is very hot. Sun is very hot. You can see sun is very hot. Outside is sun is very hot, and yeah, here is so many mango. I standing under the mango trees. You can see this is mango trees, and I enjoyed life village. I enjoyed nature. I like nature. Do you like nature? And do you like mango? Yeah, because oh my god, because the summer season starting, and so many people like mango juice. In this day, they are drinking mango juice. I almost like mango juice. Yeah. Do you like mango juice? If you like mango juice, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Actually, my dear friends, I recently started learn English, and I have started my YouTube channels. I think 20 days completed, and I am so happy because I got 62 subscribes. Yeah. My dear friends, do you like swimming? Yeah. Do you like swimming? Yeah. Here is whale. You can see in my free time I swim in this whale, and actually light has gone. My farm motor is off. Okay, no problem. So my dear friends, support me. I am a village person. I am a village person, and I want to learn English because English is so important now these days, and I like it this language because this language gave me so many friends. Because of this language, I made so many friends. So, my dear friends, if you like my video, if you like village life, if you like, if you love nature, please subscribe my channel. So see you my next video. Bye bye.